To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll be solving one more problem in which they have asked you to calculate the cost of PPE, the depreciation as well as carrying value of the asset. The question is on the screen. Please pause the video and write down the question, or at least take the screenshot of the question. It's better that you try to solve along with me. A company acquired a machinery costing rupees 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 is a purchase price inclusive of 36,000 GST for which the company gets a credit. So 1,80,000 is a purchase price and in that 36,000 is included. So that 36,000 is for GST and that GST, whatever the company has paid 36,000 as a GST, for that the company is getting a credit. So which means it is a refundable GST. Freight charges are 5,000, custom duty 7,000, installation expenses 20,000. Cleaning spare parts we are not considering, it is not a directly attributable expenses. Pre-operative loss, yes, we will consider it is a directly attributable expenses. After 5 years life, the company pays 20,000 for dismantling the asset. So to dismantle the asset after 5 years, the company will pay 20,000. The present value of 1 rupee for the 5th year will be 0.62 paisa. Means whatever the value of money today, it is 1 rupee. The same 1 rupee, it will have a value of 0.62 rupees after 5 years. Calculate the cost, find the cost of depreciation and carrying value at the end of first year. For this, first we need to find out the cost of PPE. Always we will start with the purchase price. So what is the purchase price? Purchase price is 1,80,000. So as I told you, it is inclusive of GST, which is refundable. Only non-refundable GST should be added, but here it is already refundable GST is included. So we will reduce it. So it already include ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ refundable GST include ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ reduce ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Refundable GST, how much? It is 36,000. So now when you subtract 1,86,000 and 36,000, we will get the net purchase price. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್? ನೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1,80,000 minus 36,000 will be 1,44,000. For this we need to add the directly attributable expenses. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Directly attributable expenses. Directly attributable expenses. So directly attributable expenses na navilli add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So what are the directly attributable expenses we are having? Let us check that. First one is freight charges. Freight charges are 5,000 rupees. Freight charges are 5,000 rupees. Next we are having what? We are having custom duty 7,000 rupees. Custom duty 7,000 rupees. After that we are having installation expenses 20,000. So installation expenses 20,000. Next we are having cleaning spare parts, so that we are not considering cleaning spare parts. We are not considering pre-operative loss. Yes, pre-operative loss is also the loss that occurs after the machine starts running, so that also we should not consider. Pre-operative losses also should be ignored. So dismantling the asset. So dismantling the asset. So what they have told, how much is the value of dismantle? 20,000. But after 5 years the value of 1 rupee will become 0.62. 5 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 rupee value 0.62 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 20,000 into 0.62, 20,000 into 0.62 62. So we will get 12,400, which means ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 20,000 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 12,400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ನಾವು when you add all these things we get cost of PPE. So net purchase price is 1,44,000 plus 5,000 plus 7,000 plus 20,000 plus 12,400. It would be 1,88,400. Now next step is to calculate the depreciation. Next step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we need to calculate the depreciation. Now in order to find out the depreciation there is a formula. So the formula to find the depreciation is cost of PPE. One second. The formula to find out the depreciation is cost of PPE minus residual value divided by life of the asset. So cost of PPE now ಕಂಡಿಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. Cost of PPE is 1,88,400. So there is no residual value. Cost of PPE minus residual value divided by life of the asset. Cost of PPE is 1,88,400 minus residual value is 0. The life of the asset they have given in the question, the life of the asset is 5 years. Life of the asset is 5 years. So when you divide 1,88,400 divided by 5, we get 37,680. 37,680 is depreciation for 1 year. Next step, we need to calculate the carrying value at the end of first year they have asked. So what is the cost of PPE? Cost of PPE is 1,88,400. So 1,88,400 depreciation for 1 year it is 37,680. 37,680 is the depreciation for 1 year. So when you subtract 1,88,400 minus 37,680, we get the carrying value at the end of first year, which is 1,50,720. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem. Try to solve the problem once again by yourself. While solving, if you get any doubts or queries, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I can respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.